True.
because
That's correct. Karthik, do you have? I'll get to that. Karthik, what's your experience about? In Tamil, we have this thing, right? Kannal kanbadum poi, kadal
Yeah.
kepadum poi, kind of. So there's a saying in Tamil, Deepak. It's a very old saying. It says, "What you see with your eyes is false. What you hear with your ears is with." Deeply analyzing it is the only way to figure out what is the truth.
Yeah, Kumar. Sudden one day, my immediate boss from the vertical side came to me and asking me to prepare some documentation. I
Okay.
said, okay, I can prepare it. And all he said is like, just come up with a critical service or critical API which we have developed in our area,
Okay.
and tell me about significance on what is the business benefit. That's it. He didn't say anything else other than that. I
Okay.
asked him a couple of questions and he was not able to answer it. I asked him like, who is going to be the audience? First question, immediate question we used to ask is, right, who will be the audience, so that we will put it like whether it is a technical terms or a business terms, right? So he
Sure.
said like, I'm going to present it to the leadership, new leader which is taking over from PRS. Okay, fine. And what is his expectation? Did you have any connect with him? Something like that. Then I put on some more questions and he couldn't answer it. So then I asked him, saying that, okay, I am not getting what I want to put it across. So probably, if you don't mind, we can have a one level up meeting, so that like we will get that exact feeling what they wanted. So that otherwise it will be a duplicate effort. I will be preparing something and he may not like it. That's how like then gone to a next level. Boss of him,
Okay.
we three had a discussion and he was saying that we used to give a what do you call, the case studies, right? Whenever we submit any RFPs, we will be giving a case study. Mostly the case study would be a technical side of things. What
Mm.
is the solution, similar sort of solution, similar platform, something like that we will say. But the new leader what is his task is like, now why do you always go for a technical side of case studies? We were giving we are working for a business, we are helping their business, we are not at all talking about the business benefits. We are always saying that, okay, this is the technical solution, this is what we are giving it, and same solution can be implemented in somewhere else.
Okay.
You were saying in the initial, the first session of our hypoga meeting, right? So that time you were saying one point, like, if you remove the logo of RFP response,
Yeah.
everything is going to be same, right? So
Yes.
that is the same point he was coming to. Then okay, we understood what is exactly is looking for, the asked, and then probably we started with business accelerator sort of thing. We
Okay.
prepare a documentation for business accelerator, work with different accounts in the IPM, then come up with same sort of document. So because like simply I would have gone with the flow, whatever my boss was saying. I would have prepared something like, okay, we have developed 160 services in 40 days, and this
Uh-huh.
is something like that we would have given. Later, after talk to his boss and super boss of him, then we will understood, okay, he is looking for a business accelerator sort of thing. Then we were preparing what do you call, all the XMLs, all the EBOs, the business objects, everything, so that the same solution can be put it into any account, any customer, with any technology. The technology is not a matter at all. If you are looking for something like a critical solution for your problem, the solution is ready. You just need to plug in into your technology, do a changes anyway, because web methods or TIBCO or even a MuleSoft, everything is going to be same. Only uh, underlying platform is same. Maybe by here and there we need to change it, right? So the same XML, same canonicals, everything can be reused. Visuals, Swagger file is going to be same across technology. So that is what we have given it to him. He was okay with that. Then he takes that as a prototype, give it to multiple accounts and ask them to prepare it. Now it is like easy for other customers also. Unless otherwise, I attended this hype of a meeting, right? I didn't listen to you what you are saying. Remove that logo, everything is same. I wouldn't I wouldn't ask that question to my super boss. So it's like,
That's nice. So basically, in this example, the color picture was what the immediate thing, right? Just giving a
yep,
technical view. But the actual thing is that they wanted a business view, and once you were able to give that, it landed quite in the right place. Very
yep.
nice.